Hello, my name is Jill Hoffman, and today I'll be talking to you about zine making in the classroom. Zines are small-scale, self-published texts on a variety of topics and in a variety of styles. Unique perspectives and approaches to art and creativity are welcome. And zines work to create a community of learning and sharing, which makes them great classroom activities. Zines allow students to practice a great variety of important skills. They can develop teamwork if you assign zines as a group activity. They can encourage critical thinking about topics. Since zines often have a wide array of readership, you can encourage your students to describe complex topics in everyday language or to lay audiences in their zine making. Most importantly, students can expand their comfort boundaries. Students may want to stick to one or two forms of communication. And by asking students to embrace creativity, to embrace art, we're pushing them to think and communicate in new ways. And this level of growth and boundary expansion is productive, both for their academic and their professional careers. We know that multisensory engagement increases knowledge retention. Zine making is relying on physical movement, it's relying on touch, it's relying on the visual, and it's relying on cognitive processing. Thus, students who are making zines about certain topics may retain this information better. Zines are just plain fun to make, and sometimes the whimsy and change of pace can help engage students in learning as well. This is especially true of high-stress times or when students need a break from more rigorous activities. They're still learning, but they're doing it in a fun and relaxing way. My favorite part about zines is that they embrace imperfections. We want to encourage our students to be comfortable presenting their ideas and their questions in progress. Students don't have to come to class as experts on a topic matter to engage in a lively class discussion or to ask questions. We want them to be comfortable working through new ideas in front of a group. And zines and the embrace of imperfection allow students to do this. To do this activity in the classroom, you're going to want to introduce the medium and then assign each group a zine topic. Open-ended topics work best, and you might have students either make an entire zine or you might have a collaborative class zine where each group makes one page and puts together a zine at the end. You can use just whatever supplies are around you. Paper and writing supplies are the bare minimum, but you can also embrace collage or drawing. Embrace the history of using whatever supplies you have on hand. You can use this activity to assess understandings of vocabulary, theoretical concepts, and connections to relevant real-world scenarios. This is a long time commitment. Given a 50-minute tutorial, you want about 5 minutes to introduce the activity, 30 minutes to make the zine, 10 minutes to parent share, and 5 minutes for cleanup. Thanks for listening.